Hello, I'm Terry from Fine & Country, and today you join me in the sought-after village of Colworth, which is ideally located for Brackley, Banbury and of course the M40, which is ideal for anybody wanting to commute. But this behind me is Milton Cottage, originally 3 homes now converted into 1 and beautifully looked after by the current owners. If you'd like to follow me inside, we'll take a look. Upon entering, there is a spacious hallway and access is provided to the sitting room, which is truly outstanding. There are a wealth of character features including exposed beams and a lovely fireplace with a wood-burning stove. The dining room is the ultimate place to entertain, with space to seat 10 guests around a table. The focal fireplace is the main attraction. The kitchen breakfast room is ideal for more informal dining occasions with space for a table, a window to the front with a seat beneath, and access is provided to a good-sized utility room. The rear lobby provides access to outside. There is a door to the cloakroom, and also access is provided to a third reception room, which would be an ideal office, playroom or a teenage TV room. To the first floor there are 4 good-sized bedrooms. One of them has an ensuite, and they all benefit from a good degree of natural light, and some having wonderful views either over the village, the countryside or the rear garden. Completing the first floor is the family bathroom, and in addition, a guest cloakroom. Another outstanding attraction of the property is the rear garden, which is beautifully presented with a large decking area, a lawn which leads up to a seating area at the top, where amazing views can be captured over the rolling countryside. Thank you very much for joining me today on this tour of this exceptional home. If you would like to arrange to come and look at it for yourself, please give me a call. The telephone number is coming right up.